Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create these marble nails. Start with a base coat. Apply one coat of the base color, this should probably be the lightest shade, and let dry. Next, apply a pretty thick second coat, and before it dries, add drops of other colors into the polish and swirl with a toothpick to create a marble design. I include about 4 dots and do one nail at a time. Make sure that you use a light hand with the toothpick to make sure that you don't scrape off the base layer. Finally, apply a top coat. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe so you can see more nail videos like this. I will list all the polishes that I used down below. Thanks again. Bye!